Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to get notified when Snapchat suggests new friends you might know, you're in the right place. This quick update will walk you through exactly how to turn on friend suggestion notifications, so you never miss out on connecting with people you actually know. Snapchat regularly recommends users based on mutual friends, contacts, or activity. But if your notifications aren't set up properly, you might not even realize those suggestions are there. Let's fix that in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Tap on it to open your settings. This is where Snapchat keeps all the important controls for your account. Now scroll down a little until you find the notifications section. Tap on notifications to open up all the options related to alerts and updates. Inside the notifications menu, look for an option called Friend Suggestions. Once you find it, simply check the box or toggle it